Hi Enara, hi Belen. Let's start with some pronunciation. Futuro. Future. Future. Take these off. Crisis. 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 Gobierno. Government. Government. Okay, let's see. Es lo que hay. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see. Regreso a casa a las 3:30. I come back home at 3:30. I come back home at 3:30. You can also say 3:30. 3:30. Okay, no estoy de acuerdo con esta decisión. I don't agree with this decision. I don't agree with this decision. You could also say disagree. I disagree. Okay, recuperar, the verb recuperar in English. We have 3 different ways that we use this differently. So for example, recupérate pronto. Get well soon. Get well soon. Quiero recuperar mi dinero. I want to get my money back. I want to get my money back. Necesito recuperar una clase. I need to make up a class. I need to make up a class.